go to the World War II one. It's one big tower. Hey, let's walk up.
Let's walk up.
We can walk up, but then we gotta walk to the side.
That's fine.
At one point, it was the tallest building in the world. It was the tallest structure in the world. Did you know that?
I did not know that.
Like this. At one point, it was the tallest structure, and I believe it is still to this day the tallest
Monument?
stone on stone structure in the world.
Really?
I got a question. Yes. When was it built? No, by chance. 1888, I believe.
It probably says it right here.
I was close.
Wait, 18. Oh, it's at the Postal War.
Yeah, 1880, but still, doing something like that with no fucking crane.
Well, it's kind of weird that it's it looks different. Like the bottom looks different than the top.
It changed the type of stone they were using halfway through it.
Wonder why.
I'm not sure, but on the inside, every state has stones.
Oh, so they have stones from every state?
Stones from every state yeah, and they got them engraved on the inside of the place.
I suppose they don't have any from
I wish it was a
Alaska.
pretty day walking through this grass. I'm not sure.
Well, Alaska wasn't a state yet.
Or maybe not Hawaii either.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if they
Honestly, there were probably lots of states that weren't states.
No, they probably added them in. I mean, I'm sure they just added them in. But
Dude, all these fucking planes taking off giving me anxiety.
But it's the highest stone on stone structure in the world. Have you ever seen White House down? Or no,
Yeah.
No, but
don't they just smash a plane through that fucking thing?
Hey, yesterday, as we were walking around the mines, dude, all you see is 3 attack helicopters just fly over the pool, like right over where we were walking. I was like, if that don't make you feel safe, I don't know what does.
Just some casual Apaches.
Dude, I'm telling you, there was like 2 or 3 of them. Straight Apaches, not Blackhawks.
Probably Apache. Well, if they were.
The Apaches don't fly without Blackhawks. Hey, so that's the White House, huh? Wait, what? Yeah, right there. See, you see it's to the right of it, yeah. And look, Cooper, that monument in front of us, like in front of the pool, that's World War II. You go walk down to it. It's a prettier day when it's dried up and you can go to the grass. They actually prefer you not to walk on the grass, which is why they got the sidewalk. I want to touch them all. You want to go touch it?
Touch the butt. Touch the butt. He touched the butt.
Hey, so I'm gonna guess these are 50 flags for 50
If I had to guess,
You're a pretty fart smeller, Coop.
Yep.
I'm just gonna guess on that part.
How should I know, asshole Connor?
Wait, what?
How should I know, asshole Connor?
I literally don't understand.
How should I know, axe Connor?
It sounded like you said
I
cow
said,
shit.
I
It sounded like you said
I
cow
said,
shit.
cow should I know, asshole Connor? But Tyler's grandpa Poppy used to always say that shit like that. Oh my god.
Hey, watch. You have to look.
Oh my god.
You have to look here.
It's huge. Huge. Oh my god. Oh my god. I haven't touched it either. It's cold. Dude. It's cold as fuck. That's it. But hey, that's anxiety at its finest. But Alright, let's walk this way.
Thing is, you got.
Yeah. I want to get like
no, Coop, it's either way.
I want to get like a.
Huh?
Okay. I was about to say you gotta walk down the path either way.
You limey bastard. Actually, I got that shit. You know what they call these? Cornerstones.
Oh no, huh? Really now? You're a smart smeller. It's like they're working on the Thomas Jefferson monument.
Yeah, they are. They're redoing the roof, but they said you can still go inside, see the inside of it.
That's a cornerstone.
That's like the pyramid. How do you stack something that high with no engine, with no metal engineering?
A wide base. Well, it has to get narrower as it goes
Without
up.
a crane, like without a crane, like with nothing else, like human hands. Like,
Well, what they did was they started down here and then they worked their way up.
what I'm saying is like, who the fuck would want to be that high in the air? Because you know damn well they didn't like have scaffolding. You know they didn't like.
Oh, I'm sure they did. We didn't. Well, also,
You know damn well they didn't like secure themselves to something while they were up there. They probably just climbed up there and then
Probably
climbed
not.
back down.
But I mean, like,
Probably took them 2 hours to get up there and come back down.
probably so. But it's think about it. It's also probably anchored like very far into the ground.
Oh, without a doubt.
I mean, it's probably.
Well, look how high up we are right now. I mean, whose idea was this? Like, think back in the 18, like, I don't know, bro. That's crazy.
1890, you come to see this, like, you're like, what the hell were we doing?
Well, it was the tallest structure in the world. There was nothing that tall in the world.
Very, very American of us.
Very American of us.
Dude, that's cool. Did you jog this yesterday? Freaking short.
Yeah. But your coat you had on looked pretty comfortable.
Well, I had.
Are we walking to Lincoln now?
Yeah, with the World War III, World War II.
Oh, yeah,
right
okay.
down here.
And then we go walk to Lincoln, and then we'll just kind of dip off. They got the Koreans on one side, the Vietnamese on the other side.
Pretty cool how they got the tree still here.
Oh. And then, but they do have another monument that I didn't go to that I don't know what it's for. I'll probably go stop by that, see what that's about.
Rip to this one fucking tree.
Yeah. Got struck by lightning.
Yeah, that's not what it looks like.
They don't get on here. There's like the see-through baby fence like around this place. Like, what the fuck? Why the fuck is there like a tiny little fence around it?
Dude, that's so badass, bro.
Doesn't make any sense.
Maybe it's just like to deter people.
The seafood fence.
I guarantee if they didn't put a fence around it, people would go lay on it.
No, I get that. No, but like there's a fence like around this whole place. Like, what's the point?
To make it look good.
But it's not a real fence. It's like they said a fence is falling down. It's a fence like that. It don't look good. Looks like they're doing construction.
Dude, I'm still blown away. I will come back again and go up there.
Dude, you're gonna be back to DC again before you're dead. I promise you. I can't promise you that.
Yeah.
But I can guarantee you that.
How about this, Coop? Whenever I'm president, I'll have your birthday up there.
Oh, that'd be. Oh,